What's up, gamers? GadInsider here with massive news. Helldivers 2 is dropping on Xbox Series S and X this August, bringing its chaotic co-op action to a new platform. Let's dive into this epic crossover. Crossplay, huge sales, and a historic Sony Xbox move. Helldivers 2 is about to blow up on Xbox. Ready to join the fight for Super Earth? Stick around for the details. Arrowhead Game Studios just confirmed Helldivers 2 hits Xbox Series S and X on August 26, 2025, and it's already up for pre-order on the Xbox Store. This third-person co-op shooter, published by Sony, has been a monster hit, selling 12 million copies in just 12 weeks on PS5 and PC. PlayStation's biggest PC launch ever. Now it's making history as the first Sony-published game to cross over to Xbox. Chief Creative Officer Johan Pelstad said players have been begging for this, and director Michael Erickson added on Xbox Wire, "The more players we have, the more stories we can tell. With crossplay across Xbox, PS5, and PC, you can squad up with friends on any platform. The game's live service model means new content's coming, and this Xbox launch could open the door for more PlayStation titles on Xbox. You can grab the Standard Edition for $39.99 or the Super Citizen Edition for $59.99. Both are available for pre-order now, packed with intense battles and that signature Helldivers chaos. Posts on X are buzzing, predicting that this could boost sales even more and shake up the live service scene. Why is this huge? Helldivers 2 on Xbox isn't just a port, it's a game changer. With crossplay and a growing player base, it's uniting gamers across platforms. Plus, Sony's move to Xbox could mean more cross-platform hits in the future. Whether you're blasting bugs or strategizing with friends, this launch is a win for all. Ready to dive into Helldivers 2 on Xbox? Drop a comment. Are you pre-ordering? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming news.